jungle.
Jungle.
Yeah, so let's write out the word jungle. Jungle. How are you going to write that? Jungle. Jungle. I think that's still got an E sound in there. Jungle. I think it needs to maybe just say it for me. Jungle.
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 Perfect. Perfect. Yeah. 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 Jungle.
Jungle.
Yeah. It's silly, right? But the Valentine method, for some reason, like when I'm working with somebody, I've got to think how they speak, then I've got to think how they hear things, and then I've got to write it so that it comes out of their mouth the right way. I mean, I do get it most of the times, but yeah, I do get it a lot of the time. It's a difficult thing, but we do get there in the end. I used to see it in my head as jungle.
I used to see it in my head as jungle.
Nice.